Welcome back, Creek fam. I just wanted to talk about this Jeep Cherokee today. So, I've had this thing for maybe a little bit more than 2 years. No, maybe a little bit less than. I've had this thing for a little bit less than 2 years. First crawler build, like complete build. I have a Axial chassis on there. It's the SCX. It'd be the 3 straight axle. Yeah, the SCX straight axle. So, I got that there. First thing that you'll notice is the bumper. RC four-wheel drive bumper with a winch that I took off of the tow truck, the Traxxas tow truck. This winch is actually really good. I like that thing a lot. Bumper fit up good. This is supposed to be for a Axial 2, but it fit perfectly on the 3. No worries at all. But RC four-wheel drive said it was for the 2 for some reason. I don't know if it's like the same. I guess it's the same thing. I took these off of the tow truck as well. These tires are the KO3s, I believe. These are the KM3s. Yeah, KM3s. I've had these for 4 years and some change, I think. So these are 4-year-old tires. It's crazy. I had these on my first crawler, which was the Axial scx10.3, the Jeep, and I ended up selling that before I moved. But oops. So yeah, these tires are actually really good. No real complaints there with these. They look pretty good in my opinion as well. These are just some Amazon rims, and then I just got these Amazon bead locks as well, or these rings, and it ended up working out pretty good. I think that you have to take a chance with it. If you end up getting a set of these rings, just take a chance and see if they'll fit, because I don't know that these rings will fit on every Amazon rim, you know what I mean? So I had to take a chance on that, and it ended up working out perfect. That's pretty much it on the outside, I believe. Other than this guy right here, I actually found this dude at the thrift store. It's a 7-inch action figure. It might be a 7-inch or a little bit more, and I feel like it's really scale for this truck. So, yeah, I just found him at the thrift store. It's like the 90s or the 80s. It was brand new in a package. But as soon as I opened it, it fell apart, so I had to glue his leg back in. But that's where the werewolf came in. But yeah, the body, of course, Amazon body. Some Amazon mirrors I got on there too, because I broke mine, or the stock ones. So I had a Jeep a long time ago. It was a nice red Jeep. I bought it for $50, a Cherokee. My favorite body style Jeep is this right here. It was red, but $50. It had 300 miles on it, 300,000 miles on it. The engine was knocking pretty bad. I think I had a mechanic. Yeah, I had a mechanic replace the engine on that one there at 300,000. He's like, "Why are you replacing the engine?" I said, "It's got 300,000 miles." He said, "It runs good." I said, "Oh well, I already bought the engine." Whatever. Yeah, and then I can't remember if I put a bumper on it or not. Oh well. Oh yeah, me and my buddy John, I think we put a set of Fox shocks on it too, suspension. Oh no, a rough country suspension kit, couple-inch lift on it. It's pretty sweet. If I have pictures, I'm gonna put it up. But that's why I wanted to do a Jeep, because I used to have one back in the day. They just look so good to me. Really, really nice body style. My favorite. So magnets on there, which are a lifesaver. These things are awesome. This is one of the easiest This is the easiest RC truck I have to like get it out and play with because of the magnets. Help out a lot. I ain't messing around with no pins and stuff like that anymore. We're past that. So I ended up having to like MacGyver some mounts on the front here. Do that. Of course, we got the reefs in there. Probably one of the best servos ever. I mean, definitely worth the upgrade on that. Then I got this like cable mesh, and I just ran it through all this stuff over here, and some shrink wrap, just to black out the whole thing. And then Endura sells these like magnetic lights, so got that there. And then for the rear, I just had to cut a few things here and then drill in the magnets on top of the bracket, obviously there. And then obviously, I don't know if you can see that here. Oops. Had to like do some shaving to get that there. The kit itself doesn't come with fenders. These scx10.3 fenders fit perfectly. I think they're only like $20 extra. I ended up getting this kit on Amazon on sale for like $200. It might have been like 190, something like that. It was a pretty good deal. So back in the day, a few years ago when I got it, so I had to pick it up. I wanted to do a build. Oh yeah, the rear bumper. This is just some Amazon NHX. It came with a top mount for a tire, but as you saw, I don't know if you saw that other video I took it with the family, and it was just so back heavy, just too much weight on the rear, so I just took it off. Obviously the SE motor, it's a pretty good little piece of equipment right there. Some Trial shock mounts here, front and rear, I got as well. And I think that's it as far as this goes. Some cons with this thing: the transmission is garbage, absolutely terrible. I've even got it blocked out right now, and it's still pretty bad. It's just slipping, like so. I have this transmission that we're gonna be putting in it soon. This is some Amazon transmission. I've had this for a little bit now. I just haven't put it in yet. We putting that in. What else was? Oh, and the suspension is leaking like crazy. I believe. Yep, all four of them. They're leaking on all four. Other than that, though, I mean, it's pretty decent straight axle kit. I can't really complain. It's been doing pretty good. Even though the shocks are leaking, they're decent. I feel like every RC manufacturer's shocks. Oh no, I take that back. Traxxas has actually been pretty good. Oh, I forgot to mention a few things though. See how easy that is? So nice. But I have brass inside. I have brass rings on the wheels here, and a couple brass pieces here on the axle. So this piece right here from the kit, it's really flimsy, super thin piece of plastic that holds that together. So that probably broke like a while ago. I didn't even notice it, so I replaced that. Like it probably broke within a few runs of playing with the truck, and I didn't even notice. So a while ago I bought these axle points here. I believe they're called like C-hubs. Actually, these were like the only people that I could find that made C-hubs. Endura was like the only company I found. Yeah, that's pretty much the build on this Jeep here. This one's going to be going to my son here when he's old enough to play with trucks. A little guy, he loves this thing, so he can have this one. And I'll be building a VS410 when I get some money up. I just don't know what kind of body I'm gonna do yet, so I got another project coming along. All right, yeah, so I'll be putting that transmission in shortly, and maybe do a little review on the transmission, see how that goes. I'll let you know when I put that in, because I feel like a lot of people are gonna have issues with the transmission, the stock one that's in this truck already. So horrible transmission. I've had nothing but issues with it. Same thing on the 10.3. I had that on the Jeep. I had issues with that, I believe. I believe it was slipping as well. So I'll let you hear what it sounds like. Yeah, you get binded up in some rocks right there, it'll start doing that. All right, that's it on this one. Appreciate you watching.